Welcome to my kitchen in Exeter, New Hampshire. I'm Brenda Hall and I'm a local realtor.
And I'm Karen O'Keefe, Brenda's health coach this morning.
With spring right around the corner, many people are forfeiting their morning coffee and having green juice instead, notorious for its health halo. This morning, we're going to make some green juice that is both sweet, has a hint of tartness, light and lusciously green. It's like a glass of spring.
Replace your morning coffee with a rich source of these vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, which aid in lots of beneficial things for your health. These dark, leafy green vegetables are a rich source of vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C, and potassium. They aid in digestion, inflammation, and they give you a longer lasting energy all day long. So as your body absorbs these dark green leafy vegetables, you are left with longer lasting energy and being happy all day. So Brenda, you need to drink more green juice.
I love recipes with just a few simple ingredients. So we're going to make one serving size of this drink this morning, which basically is 1 apple cord, half a cucumber, 4 stalks of celery, and a ½ inch of ginger. Obviously, you could add other ingredients if you choose, like spinach and other great vegetables. Let's get that little ginger in here. These cucumbers are just slipping around. So healthy. That's going to be yummy. And Karen, didn't you tell me that the best time to drink this is first thing in the morning?
Absolutely. First thing before you even have any food, and you won't even need your coffee. So it's so delicious and energizing.
Let's give it a try.
Oh wow, it's so great.
That is amazing.
That's a boost of fresh spring. Happy St. Patrick's Day, Brenda.
And to you, Karen.
Thank you.